Alright, so you're looking at the Boxee Box. This is our boxes down here. And then we've got the beta software, which was just released on our website today, running. This is going to be the software you see on your Boxee Box. And essentially what Boxee does is bring all your entertainment into one place. So whether you're watching stuff on Netflix.com or CBS.com or Comedy Central, all those great entertainment shows, movies, music, photos that are available on the web, we want to bring them into an interface that's optimized for a TV and a remote. And then additionally, if you downloaded content to your hard drive or to a network attached storage or anything like that, we make it really easy to bring that into this interface. You point us at a folder, we'll identify all the files in there, pull down the relevant artwork. So instead of, kind of browsing around boring files and folders, you're now looking at a beautiful media collection with all the cover art that you never get to see normally. So I'll run you through a couple things. Boxee does three things really well. The first is internet content. So if you look here, these are 145 out of the 300 applications that we have available on Boxee. Notable things like Netflix, Pandora, Major League Baseball, Revision 3, and then those are some of the bigger names. We also do some smaller niche content sites like The Escapist, which is a great gaming magazine. Let's see what else we have on here. I know we have Twit, we've got Boing Boing Video, Icon has cheeseburger photos if you love that stuff. So Boxee's totally open source. Some of these apps were built by us, some of these apps were built by the company, some of these apps were built in conjunction, and then some of them were actually built by fans. So somebody in the UK put together a BBC iPlayer app and did it all himself, and then showed it to us, we showed it to the BBC, and now it's one of the most popular apps in the UK. So it's a really flexible platform for bringing internet content to the TV. You also notice, so we'll hop over into TV shows. So as a consumer, you know that there's some TV shows out there on the web, but you probably don't know how many. This is actually a list of a majority of the mainstream TV shows that you can find for free on the web. And if you know exactly what you want to watch, we've got a full QWERTY keyboard on the back of this remote, so you can quickly search for things. Because if you're looking at the vast amount of quantity of content that's available on the web, you gotta have search and you gotta have an easy way to do it. So I'm gonna type in South, and Boxee's gonna pull up South Park for me. And so you can either search or you can browse that whole list that I showed you before. And once you pick something to watch, you can see all the different seasons that are available. Jump in, saying, oh, it's from Comedy Central. I want to start playing this right now and hop right in. So second thing Boxee does really well is local content. So I've just pointed Boxee at a folder and it's built this media library for me.
How you doing? Good. So
Boxee
is a dealing company?
And start playing this media right now.
Oh wow.
Okay.
And we're up and running.
We're very excited about the
And then the last thing that we're really excited about is some of the social features of Boxee. So if you see over here, we've got an item called Feed, and this is a place that's curated totally by your friends. It's things that they've recommended to you on Boxee, things that they've recommended to you on Facebook, Twitter.
So it's essentially
and it's also
a server
integrated into the platform, so you can push stuff out to your friends and share it with them. Featured is curated by us. And then last but not least, we have the wonderful queue here. So if you got a Netflix, you can add content from the platform. And actually today we just launched a Boxee bookmark. So you can hop into Firefox, drag it into your toolbar, and any video you want to save for later and add to your Boxee queue here, you can do on the web from your browser. So that's Boxee. It's the best way to enjoy entertainment from the internet or your computer, on your TV, with the remote.
Let me know, because I want to write about it for Hollywood.